Okay, gentlemen. So today we're going to be talking in math about something called the order of operations. It's also known as PEMDAS. So the reason we have this order of operations thing is if you have a long problem in math, you need to do things in the right order to get the correct answer. And so if you want to remember, well, what order should I do things? The way to remember that is these letters, PEMDAS. So now I'll explain to you what they mean. The first one is P, and that stands for parentheses. So if you see something in parentheses, that's the first thing you should do. The next letter, E, stands for exponents. And some of you have not seen exponents yet. So this little 2 up here, this is an exponent. And we read this as 6 to the second power, or 6 squared. And that just means 6 times 6. So the exponents, that's the second thing you do. Next is M and D, and that stands for multiplication and division. It doesn't matter if you do the multiplication first or the division first, but they come third, so that should be the third thing you do. And then last, we have A and S, and that stands for addition and subtraction. So if you have a long problem, the last thing that you do is the adding and the subtracting. Now I'm going to show you an example of why this is important. So I have the problem 8 divided by 2 plus 6. Now first we're going to do it the wrong way. We're going to do the addition first. So 2 plus 6 is 8. And now we have 8 divided by 8, which equals 1. Now let's try it again, but this time let's do it the right way. So if you look at PEMDAS, in this problem we have division and we also have addition. Well, the D comes before the A, so that means we should do the division part first. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. And then we have 4 plus 6, which equals 10. See how we did the same problem and we got two different answers? Well, only one of those answers is right. The answer to this problem is 10. 1 is the wrong answer. And that is why order of operations, or PEMDAS, is important. Now I'm going to let you try one and see if you can get the right answer. So we'll do 12 divided by 3 equals 3. And remember, you need to follow PEMDAS. So since we have 12 divided by 3 plus 3, what comes first? Is it the division part or the addition part? If you said we should do the division part first, you are right. So we do 12 divided by 3, which is 4. And now we have 4 plus 3, which equals 7. And that's how you do order of operations.